To create teams and invite new users to join that team, you can maneuver to the bottom left under account, where under team, you'll see an invite new users tab. You can click right here, type in the name of that new user that you would like to invite. And if you already have a license, you can pre-assign it to them when they get the invitation. If not, you can click add, send one invite. From here, if you want to create a new team for members of the team, you can maneuver two over to create a new team, where you can enter the team name from here. So I'll just call this Michael Test for now. And then you can invite new team members to that team. So if there are additional team members, you can type in their address here and then select create team.